and welcome to Daniel Heather Cartoon for Kids. I hope you all well today. Today we are going to learn about the kindness and the wiseness. So let's start today's story. Before starting our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Daniel Heather Cartoon for Kids. So let's start the video. Upon a time in a lush green jungle, a kind-hearted man named Rohan lived with his loyal horse named Thunder. They shared a small hut that made from bamboos. Every day they would explore the jungle together. Thunder was very strong and Rohan was wise. They both are best friends. Afternoon, the dark clouds covered the sky and furious storms began to blow. Rohan and Thunder hurried to the shelter, but suddenly a loud crack of thunder struck, and a tree fell blocking their path. The jungle was getting more dangerous that time. That many animals were in trouble because of the storm. A deer was trapped under the fallen branches, and a family of a monkey was trapped in a tree. Without thinking twice, Rohan mounted Thunder and together they raced to help. Rohan and Thunder make the way to the monkey and deer. Together they lift the branch of the deer and Rohan carefully helped out the monkey to safety. As Rohan and Thunder were helping the animals, a mighty lion appeared. The lion was upset because of the storm had disrupted its home. It growled and challenged Rohan and Thunder to leave the jungle. He says, "This is my territory." But Rohan remained calm. He spoke to the lion gently, saying, "We all live here together. Let's work together to rebuild their homes." Elmastad gathers and Rohan, Thunder and the lion work as a team. The elephant moved fallen tree. The monkeys rebuilt shelter and the deer helped find the food. Thunder carried a water for everyone and Rohan directed them all by the end of the day. The jungle was safe again. The lion, seeing the teamwork, and smiled and said, "You are wise, Rohan. I was wrong to challenge you. I'm sorry for that. Don't mind me." Passed and the jungle was peaceful again. Rohan and Thunder stood at the top of a hill, watched the sunset. The jungle animals now lived in their harmony, helping one another. In a time of need, Rohan smiled at his horse, knowing that kindness, courage, and teamwork made them stronger and together. So, dear kids, true strength lies in kindness, courage, and the teamwork together. I hope you like the story. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Daniel Heather Cartoon for Kids. Goodbye.